This is a place where they get landslide. See. They're walking here. See, they're so small, I will just put a hold. See how the place is became here. Before I paused my video because there was a very small way to walk. If I sleep I will go down. So see, this is happening here. Okay, see the way right now. Okay, so I'm walking very slowly because if I sleep I will go down. See what happened. See this. It's broken. No, I just see. Now I need to go down. Okay, so I need to go down. So there is no way because of this. Okay, so I can't go also, but I will try my best to go with this. You can see it's very hard to go. It's so much height. My leg is here, but I have to go. So I need something right now. Right now I am here. You can see my leg. It's I have to jump now. So I already jumped. Okay, but see this much height, and now I have to walk this. You can see me. Okay, I already jumped. Now I have to go this side. Okay, so I have to go this side. So I'm now working. Okay, so I'm going to start my video right now that you can see me, because it's very thin road. Okay.